So go on and apply this treatment before you go to bed on your skin. Wake up looking so beautiful. Your skin will look so amazing. Like, this is very effective. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, this is a very powerful treatment that will get you a beautiful skin. Like, this is going to relax your skin, removing dead skin cells. When you wake up the next day, you'll be having a beautiful skin. Your skin will be looking so new and beautiful. In case you have tired looking face, at the end of a stressful day, you want to relax your skin, you want to renew your skin, you want to revive your skin. This treatment is perfectly for you. If you want to get rid of those signs of aging, like those eye bags, you want to remove eye wrinkles, you want to get rid of neck wrinkles, you want to unify your complexion and looking so beautiful for the next day, go ahead and apply this treatment and you never regret it. So with few ingredients you can find in your kitchen, you can actually achieve this beautiful look. Like, this is just purely natural, no side effects. Apply it before you go to bed, looking so beautiful when you wake up, so renewed, looking well relaxed, and you will look younger. So before you make this treatment, you have to get a mixing bowl, of course, because you have to mix 1 or 2 ingredients into the bowl so that you get perfect result. So the first ingredient you have to add in here is oat powder. So this is oat powder. You can find it in the supermarkets, very available. If yours is not in a powdered form like this, you just have to turn it into a more powdered form by using your blender. Grind it until it's very smooth. Anyway, you can also make use of it like that. Okay, just mix it and it's going to blend with other ingredients. So oat powder will help to keep your skin so supple, and it's going to get rid of dead skin cells that makes your skin age faster. Dead skin cells can make your skin look dull, like looking so dull and old. When you remove those dead skin cells, you get perfect result. Like, your skin will look so beautiful and very clear. So another thing that oat powder does is hydrating the skin. It keeps a dry skin well hydrated, well moisturized, also keeping your skin supple. You know that plumpy look? So that is what it's going to do. It will help to get rid of tired looking eyes. Anywhere you apply it, your skin will be looking the best. You will benefit so much from oat powder. So get it. And the next ingredient you have to add in here is coffee. Okay, that coffee you use in making your morning tea. This is amazing. Coffee contains powerful antioxidant that helps to lock in moisture on your skin. It's going to help to protect your skin, fight signs of aging, relieving a tired looking face, eyes, and the rest. So this is going to relax your skin while you sleep, and the result will give you a very vibrant and clear looking skin. So get your coffee. So before showing you the last ingredient, I'm going to tell you the quantity to use so that you get perfect results. So get a very clean mixing bowl. Then you have to add your oat powder, 1 tablespoon. Only 1 tablespoon will do. Then you have to add your coffee. Okay, coffee ground, 1 tablespoon as well. So when you have added these 2 wonderful ingredients, the next ingredient to add in here is rose water. So rose water is perfectly, like, rose water is going to do your skin a good job. Like, it's going to help to balance the skin's pH. If you have sensitive skin, you can make use of it. If you have a dry skin, you can actually make use of it. If you have oily skin, perfect, just for all skin type. So it's going to help to minimize so much oiliness of your skin. For dry skin, it's going to help to keep your skin well hydrated. This is the rose water. Okay, get any brand of rose water, helping also to control signs of aging, making sure you're looking more youthful, more beautiful, and younger. So be mixing it little by little. You don't want this treatment to turn so watery, and you don't want it to be very, so be mixing it little by little, using your spoon to mix, adding the rose water little by little until the treatment turns a semi-liquid. Okay, not thick and not watery. So after mixing and all the ingredients are uniform, you see the color of coffee is going to be brownish. Okay, and the smell is going to be so amazing. So be turning it until it's very smooth. Wash your face, remove all makeups and debts. Make sure you don't have any makeups on your skin. Then you have to apply this treatment all over your skin, all over your neck, anywhere you want to treat to look beautiful. If you want to use this treatment only on one place, Just wash that area, apply it on only that place. For example, you want to treat eye bags, just go on and wash that area, apply only on your eye. Okay, apply only on a particular place, but it's always best to apply it all over your skin. Apply on your neck. This is very important to make sure everywhere is uniform, making it to achieve a complete look. So this is going to do so many good jobs for you. Waking up and you'll be looking amazing. This is what you have to do. After applying it, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then wash it off. Use a lukewarm water to wash it off, and you will see that your skin will look so beautiful, very plump. So you will notice instant results. You can also apply it, leave it on all through the night. The next morning you wash it off, but because it may stain your garment, it may stain your bedspread, so it's very important to also wash it off. Apply a light moisturizer like almond oil if you have an oily skin, vitamin E oil, or sunflower oil. So these are the oils that will not clog your skin, that will not irritate your skin or causing any other skin problems. So apply it on your skin, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, wash it off, apply a light moisturizer, or leave it on your skin. The next morning, wash it off using a lukewarm water, and you see your skin will look so revived. No wrinkles. With consistent use of this treatment, you will not have wrinkles. Like, even if you have wrinkles already, it's going to help to be reducing those wrinkles and fine lines, removing those eye wrinkles naturally. Like, this is purely natural. The ingredients are purely natural, no side effects. So go on and apply this treatment and you get perfect results. Beautiful look all the day. You can go out without makeup and your skin will be glowing all the time. Remember, consistency is the key. Yes, to get perfect result like removing wrinkles, you have to, but for instant glowing of the skin, to revive your skins, to remove stress from your skin, from your face, use this treatment and the next morning you will notice improvements. So this is a treatment you can apply every night without any side effects. Very mild, very safe for all skin type. So go on and try this treatment. Store the remain in the refrigerator a maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, you can wash it off. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.